Fiber. Why it needs to be a must in your daily diet. What you choose to eat has a profound effect on your overall health. Thus, many people argue that food is our best medicine. Latest research in the field of nutrigenomics shows that if we eat healthy foods, we can turn on health-promoting genes and also turn off disease-promoting genes. The reverse happens if we eat unhealthy foods. Although healthy foods, real and natural plant foods, have tons of health-protecting nutrients, including all the vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, there is one particular substance that is catching the attention of all researchers now, and that is fiber. Hey everyone, once again, welcome to the channel Simply Level Up. In today's video, I am going to simply level up your knowledge of fiber and why it needs to be a must in your daily diet. So, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. First of all, let's see why it matters to have fiber in our daily diet. Dietary fiber, also known as roughage, is only found in plant foods. Fiber is an essential part of a healthy diet. It not only promotes proper digestion and elimination, but also feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. In fact, we have billions of bacteria in our gut, and the food of these gut bacteria is fiber. So, the more diverse the fiber we eat, the healthier our gut becomes. What are the common diseases caused by the lack of fiber? Lack of fiber can cause serious issues like constipation, poor gut health, diabetes, heart diseases, obesity, high blood pressure, cancer, and many more. In fact, one of the many reasons behind lifestyle diseases becoming an epidemic is the low intake of fiber among today's young generation. Let's see how much of fiber we should include in our daily diet. The recommended daily fiber intake to promote good health for women is 21 to 25 gram and for men 30 to 38 gram. But surprisingly, most of the people consume only half of that recommended amount. So, how do we ensure we are taking the right amount of fiber? When anyone is sensibly eating a variety of unprocessed and natural plant foods, they tend to get enough fiber. Thus, we are sharing with you a list of few foods that are high in fiber and easy to consume and have tons of health benefits. High fiber fruits. People can boost their daily fiber intake by including healthful fruits as a snack between meals. Some fruits contain more fiber than others. Number 1 is ripe papaya. It has a lot of digestive enzymes and hence is good for the gut and digestion. Number 2 is guava, a fruit which has much more vitamin C than oranges and is also loaded with fiber. Number 3 is mango. It's excellent for digestive health. Is high in fiber and great to reverse macular degeneration. Number 4 is apple. Apples are a good source of vitamin C and A and folate. Make sure to eat the skin as well as the apple flesh, as the skin contains much of the fruit's fiber. Number 5 is oranges. Oranges are surprisingly a good source of fiber. Oranges are full of vitamin C, which is essential for health. Let's see what are the high fiber vegetables. Number 1 is drumsticks, a superfood when it comes to immunity and bone health. and that is also very high in insoluble fiber. Number 2. Green vegetables. The reason why green vegetables are excellent for gut health is that they contain a high amount of fiber. Number 3 is potato. As a staple vegetable, potatoes are a good source of B vitamin plus vitamin C and magnesium. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is high in vitamin C and A. Now let's see high fiber nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds provide numerous health benefits. They contain healthful fats, high concentrations of protein, and they often have omega-3 fatty acids. High fiber nuts and seeds include chia seeds. This special seed, apart from high fiber content, is also loaded with omega-3 fatty acid and other vital vitamins and trace minerals. Almonds. Almonds are high in vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant. Sprouted moong. This is also an excellent source of plant protein as well as plant fiber. Try to ensure that you consume at least 3 to 4 items from the list above. So, if we need to stay disease-free, live healthy and long, then we must inculcate the habit of eating sufficient fiber every day.